Hi, we are here in Olbo again. Welcome back to Olbo. We are here now, back in Olbo. Wow, beautiful. Hi, Clara. What do you get, Car?
They have a niche.
Wow,
Like they have time. Never had
full of candies here. Oh my gosh, so nice. Look at here, candy shop. Wow, different kinds of candy. Wow.
What the?
Wow, nice. Hi, Clara. Hi, Clara. Hi, Clara.
Yeah.
Carl, dos kalbilya kun in. Dan ha, dan ha.
Masih dia. Maya bede. Wah, masih.
Carl. Yay. Let's play na ba, Carl? We're still here in Olbo, and because we're so hungry, we're still here in Belka. Yeah. We bought. What are you eating, Clara? And Carl? Just eating hot dog. We did some shopping today. We're going to make pizza for our dinner. Ayan. From the scratch, we're making pizza. We will just use ketchup. Yeah, just put the sign because.
Come, let's put this on this one. Yeah. Yeah, well, let's make a smiley face. Yeah. One.
Stop, Aaron. Sa itong gigamit na huga.
Say! Ano na? Say! Say! Yeah!
Not so much,
Yeah. This is the smiley face. And then a cheeky one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. We finished. Oh,
Hindi niya pasok na belta.
we need 2 more. 2
Pizza, ikaw na magbuot. Baka maguta.
Okay.
Kasi wato niya.
Finish.
Kaubang magpagod.
No, we
murag salat
finished.
pizza.
Finish. Finish.
Nya, di man
Finish.
sila.
Finish. We are done. Hey, it's not that. Say.
Yeah.
Hey, what are you doing? Ooh. Ska vi lägga det här? Yeah. Okay. Oh, no.
Nya, kani po, Jen? Ay, unang, kanya. Pepperoni. Balid. Ay, ako ang nagbuhat. Sorry. Ay, pan. Depende na nimo.
Eat it. If you taste it, you need to eat it.
Oh.
Here, eat it. Shut up!
Just put it.
Okay.
Nag-English ko lang. Ano ka nga? Properly put glass.
No, yes, please.
So it's okay.
No.
You want to help this side?
Yeah, let's go. Look.
No, you have to go here. Oh.
Mama, yellow
Just put it there. Oh, come here, Karen. This way, Karen.
My yellow pizza.
Yeah.
Now you need to go down here, but wait a minute. Hey, Mama, yellow pizza. Mama, yellow pizza.
Kinsa lagi?
Mama, yellow pizza.
We're done na, Karen, man.
Mama, yellow pizza.
See, it's pizza already. Put the cheese. Na. Yay. Toinks. Ang usa, okay na na. Hello. Play area. Hi, Karen. Good morning.
Jag har Sara. Jag är liksom mig. Ja.
Peekaboo! Come here, Karen. Karen. Come here.
Moa. Moa.
Yeah.
Hello.
Morning, baby Kwapo. Wow. See, guys.
Papa mix
Birahon lang nimo siya.
type.
Kita na nimo siya. Unsay imong gusto. Ang gusto na ko kay kaniman. Pwede pa dahil siya gana. So, dili lang ko mangita. Kanya akong gusto. Niya ako na siyang isulod kay Samo. Anaon na nato ko na. So, wow, I love it. Nice. So then,
sa baba na nagre-reklamo
enjoy, enjoy.
Pusa. Sabi sa kanya sa baba na tulog.
Lasagna and what? It's a movie marathon kami dito, guys.
Ano yan? Disney?
Yeah, Disney. Maganda yan. Si Jenny naggawa ng soy sauce. Very good.
Ano si Ryan Reynolds?
Hindi ko pa yan nakita.
Hindi ko pa napanood to.
Vete.
Yes.
Edgy spy.
Holiday kami today, guys. So, with the kiddos. Ha? Ano? Because that's baby Celine. We're going there. Come. Me there. Hi, Carl. Hi, Carl. So, it's our first time to visit the Big Dollar. The Big Dollar. So, we will go there and let's find out what's inside in that store. So, are you ready, Clara, to visit Big Dollar? Because wala yan sa atin. So, puntahan namin dyan with my friend. Yan, busy siya. No, I don't have. It's okay, Clara. Are you ready to go to Big Dollar? What do you want to buy? There.
Den lighter jag med bilen, den hela watchingshale. Du kan ha den här. Mamma säger vilken hall här.
Wow. guys. Oh, shampoo. Yeah, different kind of shampoo here.
Mama, can we have that?
Here, no? Katawa na siya. Hi, Clara. So, naglakad-lakad kami. Ito yung park dito. Tingnan nyo guys, super clean. And it's free. Come. Come. Tingnan naman. Look at that. Okay, Jen. Wow, look at that. How is that beautiful? Wow, look, super clean. Walang dumi. Wow.
Hi. Oh. Wap, 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 wap. Yo, you ever seen these coral ones? Uy!
Behind you, Ned.
Behind you, Leo.
Ba, ibihildi ha.
This one's on the
Clara, Clara Maria.
Behind you, Leo. Behind you, Leo.
Diray na. Go, Clara. Wow. Super clean. Look, there's a bench and there's also a trash can. So people in Denmark throw their garbage properly. That's why it's very clean here. I hope it's very clean here. The good thing for the kids, there's park, there's always a playground. A clean playground for the kids. Look how beautiful. Mm.